inside the world's only 7-star hotel. We've grown up understanding that when it comes to stars, it's more is the merrier, and the 7-star hotels in the world further reinforces this theory. These hotels not only reflect timeless luxury and class but also boast of elegantly designed exteriors against expansive backdrops in a way that makes them so extraordinary. The hotels that are starred 7 have plenty to offer. A stay at these palace-like hotels is an experience that one tends to cherish forever. 5. Townhouse Galleria in Milan, Italy. Well located in the heart of Milan inside the famous Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II, the Townhouse Galleria holds is all about its world-class interiors and lavish accommodation. Both the rooms and suites offer a stunning view and make up for an ideal hideaway to rejuvenate oneself. The top-notch lounges, stores, and restaurants make it the perfect getaway for having the best shopping experience in the city. It is the world's only 7-star hotel who would love your pet as much you do. The luxurious dining, private limousine transfers, and a direct access to the world of Leonardo da Vinci Museum only add to the exclusivity of the hotel. Price, 30,000 Indian rupees to INR 45,000 Indian rupees. 4. The Pentaminium in Dubai, UAE. While not open to the public yet, this hotel still needs to be on your bucket list if you're a flashpacker and an experience seeker. It is believed to be one of the best 7-star hotels in the world and only super tall skyscraper across the world, which has 120 floors in it. Even imagining the level of luxury and services it would offer gives us major feels. While the hotel is still under construction, it has already won awards for being the tallest residential building in the world. 3. Emirates Palace in Abu Dhabi, UAE. This is considered as one of the best 7-star hotels in world and popular for its award-winning 5-star luxury, hospitality, and authentic local experiences. This hotel is the shining gem in the city's crown. Its luxurious rooms and suites, exceptional culinary cuisine, and landscape pools and beach make it perfect for a once-in-a-lifetime holiday. Be it its design or be it the myriad offerings, it's a grand place to stay for a surreal experience. Located in the heart of Abu Dhabi, this hotel is like a fairyland with all of the world's best amenities right within your reach. Price, 24,000 Indian rupees to 41,000 Indian rupees. 2. Hotel President Wilson, Geneva, Switzerland. With the world's biggest and most expensive hotel suite, Hotel President Wilson in Geneva gets a well-deserving spot on the 7-star hotels in the world. Known as the Royal Penthouse Suite, it takes up the entire top floor of the hotel and boasts of 12 grand bedrooms. A night at the suite would cost you somewhere around $80,000, INR 5,70,0223. The property overlooks the beautiful Lake Geneva and is located in the vicinity of some of the most famous Swiss boutiques on the Rue du Rhône. Enjoy an exquisite dining experience located at the pool garden terrace of the hotel in the authentic Japanese restaurant, Umami. The Royal Penthouse Suite of Hotel President Wilson has the world's largest television and other luxurious amenities like a grand piano and a billiard table. Price, 28,000 Indian rupees to 36,000 Indian rupees per night. 1. BURJ Al Arab in Dubai, UAE. Being repeatedly voted as the world's most luxurious hotel, BURJ Al Arab is the pearl of the ocean. Its exquisitely sail-shaped exterior and lavish ultra-modern interiors make it drop-dead gorgeous. But this hotel is not just about its beauty, it is about the hospitality and services it boasts. From an optional chauffeur-driven Rolls-Royce to spending a day at leisure, and from visiting the world's best dining venues to taking a swim on the terrace, the experiences here are extraordinary. It is most expensive 7-star hotel in the world. The mesmerizing panoramic views of the ocean from its luxurious duplex suites, a private beach, and complimentary access to the Wild Wadi Water Park are a few of the best features that would make you fall in love with this marvelous hotel. Price, 150,000 Indian rupees to 195,000 Indian rupees.